In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily like notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your DMs. Here, as you can see, we have note from our friend, and if we wanna like this note, basically, guys, all we have to do is just double tap at user's profile picture or at note itself, just like that. That will play this animation, and now this note marked with this heart icon, which means that we've successfully liked this note. If you made this by accident and you would like to remove like, then just tap at note, and here in this pop-up, tap at heart icon to unlike it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.